Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. So let me start a chat. Alright, we've got the keyboard, so we can enter the settings, which should be on this upper bar. If you cannot find them, no worries, 3 dots icon and they will appear right here. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. Here we've got the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English. It of course corresponds with the language we've got set as a system one. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. Simply scroll or enter the name of the language and find it. After finding, simply tap on it and pick the region. Sometimes it depends on the language. You will be able to pick from different keyboard layouts. So it's up to you. I would like to apply this one, so let me mark it and untick this option. So I will have only one. Let's tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been applied to this list. And basically, you can right now, for example, remove the English. If you want to leave only one language applied, you can do it just by tapping on this pencil icon, mark the English, and tap on the trash bin icon. But I don't want to do it because I also want to show you how it will look like with 2 different languages applied. So let's pretend that I want English and Urdu applied. And after getting back to the keyboard, we can see the difference. So here we've got the language key, which will allow us to change the keyboard. As you can see, we can freely change through English and the Urdu one. And what is more, the spacebar, it's not empty. We've got the name of the language we are currently using, because sometimes the layouts are pretty similar to each other, so we can recognize them always. So this is how to have 2 different languages. And again, if you want to have only one, let's enter the languages. And right here, we have to tap on this edit icon and let me remove Urdu as I want to have only English. Tap on this trash bin icon. We've got only English. So as you can see, we do not have the language key and the spacebar is empty. So it means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.